Hi, welcome to Low Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank, the Low Carb Cocktail Guy. If this is your first time watching, please click subscribe. Summertime's almost here, so let's make another refreshing summertime cocktail. This is going to be a fresh watermelon daiquiri. Now when I say daiquiri, I don't mean one of those grown-up slushies that you can go to the dry bar and grab one here in South Louisiana. And yes, if you're not here in South Louisiana, we have drive-through bars. So let's go ahead and get this started. First thing you're going to need is your shaker tins, a muddler, and some fresh watermelon. I found a couple different things, so anywhere from 7.5 to 11 in this much watermelon. So, but what I figured out is by the time I finished muddling all of this and putting it in, shaking it up, and all the spent watermelon pulp that was left, there was still a little over a half a cup of watermelon pulp left. So I'm going to err on the side of caution and say there's about 4 grams of carbs in what we're going to use. So from here, we're just going to go ahead and muddle all of that up. Just smash it, get all the juices out of the watermelon. Just, like I said, with the carbs, you're not eating the watermelon, so the carbs aren't going to be as high as anything I can find. I found watermelon juice, but those are all bottled and flavored and stuff like that, so the carb counts were higher because of sugar content. So the best I can find is anywhere between 7 and 11 grams of carbs and a cup of watermelon. Like I said, we're not using the whole watermelon, we're doing just the juices. All right, from here, we're gonna go ahead and add 1 ounce of our sweetener. We'll be using Monin's. This is their 0-calorie natural sweetener. It's a great product. It's made with erythritol, monk fruit, and stevia. Their net carbs, and there's a keyword, net carbs, is less than 1 gram of net carbs. That's 1 ounce of the sweetener. Now we're going to go with our lime juice, because that's all the daiquiri is. It is rum, lime juice, and simple syrup. Now with our lime juice, you can use fresh lime juice, but since we have a decent amount of carbs in the watermelon, we're going to go with bottled just to keep our carb count at 0 grams of carbs for the lime juice. Now, if you're not watching this because you want a low carb cocktail, you're just looking at cocktails, use fresh lime juice. It will taste better. It'll have a little more fresh taste to it. We have that 1 ounce of the lime juice. Now we're going to go with our rum. As always, Louisiana products. This is Bayou Rum out of Lacasine. They're about South Central Louisiana. 1 and 2 ounces. I've done a review on this rum along with some others. You can check out that video right here. Kind of find out what I think of this rum alone by itself. As a sipper and in cocktails, which are 2 different things. I find that it's better in cocktails than sippers, and I found vice versa on some of the other ones. But go ahead and check out that video. There's 7 different rums produced here in Louisiana, and kind of what I think of each one of them. So that's going to be all of that. Then we get some ice, shake this all together, and we'll go ahead and serve it. So now let's go ahead and get all this started. And we give it a good shake. 10 to 15 seconds. We want a good dilution, a nice and chilled cocktail. And we're done. Get yourself a coupe glass, cocktail glass, whatever your favorite glass is. And if you have them chilled, I have a little mini dorm fridge here behind the bar, kind of keep the stuff chilled as I need it. If not, you just fill that with ice water, dump it out right before you're ready to use it, and you have a chilled cocktail glass. I'm going to double strain this. What that is we're going to strain it one time with a Hawthorne strainer, then behind with a fine mesh strainer. That'll get out all the seeds and the pulp from the fruit. And we'll have anything left over for seconds. Just like a good supper, you'll always want seconds. I'll put that aside. We'll garnish this with a little wedge of watermelon and a mint sprig. And there you have it. fresh watermelon daiquiri. So the carb on this count, it's not going to be exact just because there's no exact measurement for carbs on muddled watermelon and any pulp that you have left over. But I'll tell you this, I've done this twice already and I've had a little over a half a cup of the watermelon pulp afterwards. So if you're looking at between 7 and 11, that brings you down to like 3.5 to 6. That's about the best I can get with it. Still low carb, even if it is at the 6, it's still low carb, and it's a delicious cocktail. You're home early?
No.
I thought you got off at 4.
No. 3.
All right, wait a second, hold on. Dog, stop! Oh, Roxy, stop! Absolutely delicious cocktail, great for the summertime. Fresh watermelon daiquiri. And the wife just got home, the dogs are going insane, so we're gonna cut this out now, guys. Y'all have a great day. Hey, don't forget, like I mentioned earlier, click subscribe, give us a thumbs up, share our videos, and just have a great summer.